In this lesson, you will add steel columns to the entryway of the structure at specific grid intersections. The columns will extend from the 01 entry level to level 02 floor. Click the menu browser and select Open Project. Then open the file rst mdl col 02 steel. Let's place columns at specific grid intersections. Right-click in the drawing area and select Zoom In Region and zoom in on the entryway of the structure. From the Structure panel of the Home tab, click Column. The current element type is W wide flange column W14 by 43. Click to place the first column at the intersection of grid lines B1 and 0.5. Then click the intersection of B1 and 0.75, and then the intersection of C and 0.75. Then click Modify. Let's place the remaining columns using the Grid Intersection tool. Click the Column tool again, and from the Multiple panel, click on Grids. Then select Grid E. Then, while pressing the Control key, select grid line D.1, 0.5, and 0.75. The columns are placed automatically at these grid intersections. On the Multiple Selection panel, click Finish Selection, then click Modify. Now let's set the column base level. Right-click the column at grid location E.5 and click Select All Instances. Then click the Element Properties drop-down and select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Constraints, make sure that the base level value is 01 entry level and that the base offset value is 0 feet, and click OK. Clear the selection by clicking an open point, and now we'll view the columns in 3D. In the project browser, under 3D Views, double-click 3D. Zoom in on the steel columns. Let's view the steel column analytical model. On the View control bar, click Model Graphics Style and select Wireframe. Then zoom in on one of the columns to see the blue line representing the analytical model. Close the file without saving it, as the next lesson provides its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.